Green is universal. All this week on the Weather Channel. Green shines here. And now, your local on the 8s.
Here's our local Doppler radar. Overnight, overcast, low 37, winds light and variable. For Monday, overcast with showers at times, high 46, winds south-southwest at 5 to 10 miles per hour, chance of rain 60%. And Monday night, windy, showers early, low 39, chance of rain 60%. Our 7-day outlook.
He's down. Man down on that one. Adults, especially those who had to drive, may not have a ball dealing with Midwest snowstorm, but these kids really love this impromptu snowball fight here. Al, those are epic at times. I mean, you could go for hours.
Wow, they're getting kind of close there.
She really hit them good there. This is just south of Bloomington. Keep sending in your videos there. Wake Up with Al on our Facebook page. Just make sure, kids, you don't put rocks in the snowballs. That is a big no-no.
Right.
You could really hurt someone.
Well, but you pack it and then you kind of compress it and then smooth it, so you get a little bit of an icy crust on that thing, so it stings just when you hit them.
Al Roker, snowball making tips right here.
Oh, yeah. That's right. In my neighborhood, they put a little gravel in them, too. But that's another story.
I mean,
yeah.
Kids, don't try that at home.
Don't do that. Don't do that. It's not good. Somebody like Courtney Reagan probably never had that kind of thing. Never had a snowball thrown at her.
Oh, no. I have a brother. We had plenty of snowball fights growing up. Well, Al, it's good to be king of your company.
That's right.
CEO pay is expected to rise about 3% on average this year to about $7.25 million, according to the Wall Street Journal. Executives are actually benefiting from boards pegging pay to performance.